Okay, here's a terrifying looking problem. We've got 5 batteries connected to a bunch of capacitors that are all fully charged, and all the capacitors have the same capacitance. And we want to know what the charge is on capacitor A. So this problem looks terrifying, but that should be a hint that it's actually that there's actually an easy way to solve the problem. So our loop rule tells us that the sum of the voltages around a loop has to be 0. So we want to find the charge on this capacitor, and we know that charge is related to capacitance in this way. We know that the voltage across the capacitor is the charge on the capacitor divided by the capacitance. And we know the voltages of these batteries. So if we could find a loop through this circuit, any loop, where we just have one capacitor and one battery, we can figure out the charge on the capacitor. So let's see if we can find one. So, okay, here's a capacitor. So to go, okay, can't go that way, they're capacitors, so I'm going to go this way, this way, this way, capacitors. Battery. That's okay though. Oh, still going. Yeah. Woo! Okay, so there's a loop. I define my current to be going this way, and I sum around the loop. I've got the voltage over the battery, so that's E. Coming around, there's the capacitor, so that's going to be minus Q over C equals 0, which means that the total charge on the capacitor is just C times the battery voltage.